Numbers
doing ham things at night on the US-Mexican border, and it's kind of fun. Check out what we got going on. We got Stevens assembling the Discone here, and we're gonna get that mounted up, and Devin's up on the roof getting ready to mount the Discone, planning that all out. And we go in here. And we got the SDR right here with a Raspberry Pi, which is on this side. That's a Raspberry Pi 5. And we'll be able to monitor signals from all over the place from up here. You can't tell because it's night, but it's actually up pretty high. You can see the ocean and everything from here, and that's the landscape of Mexico. Looking straight across, you see the blinking towers. Well, we've got some equipment up there. That's one of those is our towers. And then we've got fiber crossing the border and getting ready to pump this Discone into action. Steven is diligently putting it together because I didn't know what went where. And I think Devin is up there calling for me. So I'll let you know how it goes. So we got to figure out where to mount it. That's the challenging part, because we don't want to interfere with the 60 gigahertz stuff. We don't want to, overload the SDR and desense it. So we're just checking out our options here, and it looks like we might be able to put it above that post on the left. So we'll see if that works out. So what we're doing here tonight is we are mounting a Discone antenna, which I'll show you in a second. It's connected to an SDR play, which is inside the building, connected to our fiber network, allowing us remote access to play with our SDR play. And right now we've got it going up on the roof. We've already got the radio inside the SDR play receiver ready to go. It's already programmed online. Now we're just putting the antenna in so we can actually hear something decent rather than the little temporary antenna I put inside. So here, take a look at what we got going on here. The Discone is mounted high in the sky above that. Devin's up there installing it right now. I really wish that that the lighting was different so you could see it in all of its glory, but I'll come around this side and maybe you could see it better without the light shining straight at us.
I'll do you a favor, hold on.
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna light it up. It's gonna look like a shooting star. Oh, there it is.
Kinda.
Yeah. Well, you can see it, kinda. All right, now it's time to put the cable into the building. So we're actually running two LMR 400 cables into the building through those beefy holes that were just drilled through. And this silly light keeps coming on with the blinding effect. So we got the cables in. Let me show you what they look like. They're all sealed and everything. They come down, and then we're gonna plug this into the SDR antenna A, and then this one will be antenna B. I just got finished making those, but I'm tired. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna plug this stuff in, and then we're gonna mess with it. So now we got it going. Everything's hooked up now. Antennas are hooked up, and then you can see here.
Ahí ya hice, pero ya hicimos muchas cosas, así que me metí.